Hello, hi, this is Tish Washington with www.2modmyloan.com. Just a new video, have a situation I just wanted to talk about because I'm hearing more and more of this same type of thing. Okay, there was a lady, she was laid off and thought she was doing the right thing. She contacted her lender right away, told him, you know what, I've been laid off. I want to try to modify my mortgage. So it seemed like they were going to cooperate with her. They told her, okay, here's all the paperwork we need, your paycheck stubs, your taxes, your, your W-2 and previous taxes, everything. She sent everything in. They told her, okay, this is what we're going to offer you. We're going to send you this package out. Well, what they did, and this actually is 3 months later, so they dragged that. I know that's not the right word, but 3 months later, they send her out a package. So she's 3 months past due with late charges. So what they did was send her a package that they took the past due payments, added on some legal fees, divided that by 3. And what they did, they called it a loan modification. They ended up giving her a payment that was even more than the mortgage payment that she couldn't afford to pay to begin with. Okay? And that's what they were calling a loan modification. So then she did her due diligence, went online, because there's lots of good free information online. There really is. But even though you know the right things to say, you know the right wording, you know exactly what to do and say, the lenders are not working with you. And, you being the do-it-yourself homeowner, And that's why it's so important, unfortunately, that you contact me, get attorney-assisted loan modification. We just had one we were able to do in 14 days. From the time, now these people were only 3 months past due. Because they tried to do it by themselves, they had all their paperwork together. So it was basically just filling out a new packet, sending the fee in, sending the packet in. They pretty much knew what they wanted already. But because the attorney was able to contact the lender's legal department, they arranged, and one thing I want to throw in here, when you contact me and we go through Home Solutions of North America, they don't just contact the lender and say, hey, this person can't afford this payment, they need the loan modified. They do what's called a forensic loan audit. They go through your loan documents. They look for violations in truth in lending laws, violations in RESPA laws. They have this whole report. They go to the lender and they say, look, we found this, and this. This deal shouldn't have been done to begin with, or, whatever it is they say. They have some actual facts behind them, some legal terminology, some legal violations maybe, and they go to the lender. They try to lower the payment, lower the mortgage if they can. They try to stretch it out for as long as they can so you can have the relief that you need right away. So anyway, back to the original lady. So she found the information online and she's like, no, I want the kind of loan modification where you lower the payment, you lower the mortgage. So they said, okay, send us more paperwork, which was mostly what she had already sent. It went to a different department. The response she got from the loss mitigation department was to either get a second job or short sell her property. That's what her lender told her. So, yes, it's a fee. You have to get people involved, and I know it's difficult. It really is. I mean, I talk to people, and some of them are in tears when I talk to them. I know how it feels. You don't like being in the situation you're in. You don't like involving people in your personal business. I'm a professional. I keep things confidential. I've been there. I know what it's like. And, yes, it's $3,000 up front now, or actually we can break it into 2 payments, $1,500 and $1,500. But it saves you money in the long run because they're very likely going to cut your payments in half. Possibly lower your mortgage balance. And they stretch it out. They try to get the lower payment for as long as they can, and it gives you relief, and at least one part of your life is back in your control. So, try it yourself, but beware. When they send you the paperwork, make sure you're looking at, read the paperwork. Make sure they're not just taking the past due amount, tacking on some legal fees, dividing it by a number of months, and giving you a payment that's higher than the payment you can afford now. Okay? So that's this video. Again, subscribe to my channel. That's what this channel is for. I made this channel specifically for distressed homeowners. You may have questions. It may be 3 o'clock in the morning. You can't call anyone, but you can watch the videos on my channel, get your questions answered, and then call me. 626-945-5987. Alright, thank you for watching my video. I wish you good luck.